Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed again. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, it's a 16 GT, it's a Whipple Supercharger, a lot of other mods. We're gonna go look at it. We're gonna make a dyno pull, so stick around. Hey, and if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. Let's get to it. All right, here's what I have today. 2016 GT, 93 octane manual transmission car. This is a street car, and I love building them like this. You know I love GT350s, I love the Whipple. I have Doug with me, we're gonna take a closer look. But this S550 GT right here, Doug, look at this, Stage 2 Whipple kit. So in the Stage 2 kit, you get the big 132mm throttle body. I love that, as well as larger fuel injectors. It's an intercooled kit. And we also installed a Kenny Bell booster pump on this package right here. We did cooling mods. So we have the big Aller radiator, cooler thermostat, rear cylinder head cooling kit. We did billet oil pump gears. You see me do that a lot. That makes this a reliable package as far as the engine goes. But now working our way back, we have Kooks headers, free-flowing exhaust, the McLeod flywheel, the McLeod clutch, aluminum drive shaft by DSS, BMR drive shaft loop, and half shafts. So this car, whether you're driving on the street, you're doing some drag racing, you're going out, you're doing some half mile, it's gonna be a really good setup. You know, it could be a daily driver, it could be your weekend warrior. But I'm ready to make a dyno pull. These cars typically make about 650 plus to the tires, so I'm pretty pumped to see what's gonna make. I will leave links in the description, so if you don't know about what I said on some of these parts, you're not sure what they are, go to the description, click on it, and as always, email quote@brenspeed.com to see how much this costs to get installed in your Mustang. But let's make that dyno pull. All right, here's what we have. And you know, this is a big screen, but when I sat in the car, my eyes are horrible. A lot of you that know me know that, but it's very hard for me to see. So I was excited when I got out. I walked up, 667 raw horsepower on a DynoJet rated SAE, 7,500 RPM. Torque came in 499, which is really good, and it's flat all the way across the board. This makes for a very, very fast street car. It's extremely reliable on a stock Gen 2 engine. One more look at this 16 right here. Hey, something I didn't mention, we did install some Mickey Thompson drag radials. Because, you know, on a car like this, it just blows the tires off on the stock tires. Even with the Mickey Thompson, all right, you're gonna blow the tires off a little bit, but traction's gonna be a lot better. So, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. As always, leave a comment if you have questions. Don't forget, email quote@brenspeed.com. Hey, what's it cost to get installed? I'd like you to subscribe and hit notify if you like videos like this. And then if you live somewhere really far away and you like these parts, but you can't come in and visit us here in Indiana, simple, get on Brenspeed.com, we'll ship it right out. Thanks for watching.